Everybody, this is Mimi and I am doing some crafting, so I thought maybe y'all might want to come along with the fun and watch me do a little crafting. I was just going to show you these trifolds that I'm working on. I've got 2 fall ones and 2 Christmas ones, so they are full of really pretty stuff. Love the colors in them. This is the other fall one I did up. Just gorgeous. I have so much fun making these. Anyway, I'm going to be getting these ready. I just got through embellishing my fall ones, so I'm going to work on my Christmas ones, and I've got a few little things I want to do, and I thought, well, might as well maybe y'all can hang out with me. And here's the other one. This one's more traditional. I just love this paper. And I've been using some of my Tim Holtz ephemera, and I'm hoping that I'm in frame. Anyway, this right here is the inside of this, and my idea was I am going to put this lace down here, and I've got some of these Tim Holtz paper dolls, and I had 2 little boys somewhere, and of course they jumped off the page. Where did they go? Where are you guys? Oh, you never can. Oh, there they are. I thought this was so cute, and I was thinking about doing it. Says mistletoe kisses, and it says look for 10 cents. And these 2 boys are selling mistletoe kisses, and she's looking like, I don't think so. You're not gonna kiss me. So anyway, I thought those were so cute. So I thought, well, this would be a cute little thing to put on here as some ephemera. So let me get started on that. I did want to show you this little tag I made up using this. This is that tissue paper. I thought it turned out so cute. I had some tissue paper left over from last year, and it's got these poinsettias on the end of it, and I just thought, oh, this is beautiful. So I have made that up, and then I made this little pocket out of this little bag, and I says I'm elf sized, and I just took and put some doily and some book page and just added some little stuff to it, and that little girl, and I thought it really turned out cute too, and just did some distressing on it. Then I took this little round, I had cut these out, these little round circles. Why? I don't know why I cut them out, but anyway, I thought I could use them for something. And so I added these 2 little Tim Holtz paper dolls, put some of this kind of snow down here on the bottom, and I had some stamps that had some mistletoe on it, and then I just colored in. I did it with green and colored the little berries on there. So, and put a little bit of sparkle at the top, the red and the tinsel look. Anyway, I thought that turned out really cute, and I'm going to work on one of those. And I also made up this little book here. These some stamps that I stamped with at my mom's, and made this little Christmas book up, and put a little washi tape on the back of it. Just put one of those bulb paper clips right there, and not paper clips, fasteners, and just put some really pretty little eyelash trim and stuff on the side of it. Anyway, so let's get started on this right here. You ought to saw the mess I had earlier. I mean, I tried to do some filming, and it was such a mess that I said, oh, you gotta clean this up, it's ridiculous. So anyway, okay, so this was the idea that I'm gonna decorate these little pages right here. And let me see, I bought me some of this art glitter, and I really like this glue because it dries fast, and also, I was gonna say that it doesn't stop up, but I guess it does. Of course, I had lost the lid and never could find it. Finally found it and put it back on there, but I've been having so much trouble with my glue lately. Stopping up. It's crazy. I'm like, why are you all stopping up? But I love making these trifolds. They're so much fun, and you know, just a kind of a different little something to do. And so I'm just gonna glue all these down on here. And it just, and see, make sure we get them down so we can put that mistletoe aside, and it gets the baby wipes out to wipe my hands off. I always get so much glue on me. But I know everybody is just having fun working on their fall or their Christmas stuff, and you know, it seems like we're always so rushed, and before you know it, it's over with. And I'm always like, oh my gosh, slow down. This is my favorite time of year. I just not ready for it to be over, so I'm trying to slow down a little bit. And the time changed yesterday, or last night, and I really wish they would leave it alone, but they're not gonna listen to me, I don't guess. So I'm gonna put that little girl right there. Let's see, let me use this glue. I like this Fabri-Tac when I'm putting stuff on fabric. I have used 2 or 3 different kinds of glues. I mean, I'm sure I'm like everybody else, and we just try to find something. I thought this button was cute, so I'm gonna put that on there. I think it kind of picks up the blue color, and I hate to, some people, you know, go through and thread the buttons, but I find that so tedious that I just nearly go crazy doing it, so I hate doing it. It's not any fun, but isn't that turn out cute? I just love that. It's just like a little scene. It says mistletoe kisses, and the little boy's got these little cute smiles on their faces, and that little girl's going like, not me. Are you kidding me? You're not gonna get a kiss from me. It's so cute. And this is something else that I made up. This was actually came off some placemats that I got. And I'm actually wanting to make I bought these placemats for the reason is I like the material, and I'm wanting to make a Christmas journal out of it. So I took some washi tape and put on there and distressed it, and distressed the sides of it. And I have somewhere some paper that I'm going to glue down onto it, because I want people, you know, I save a lot of my tags that I get. So I had already cut that out and did the corners, but I mean, you know, you get some really cool tags sometimes. So to me, it's like you can save them and put that, I think it's called gesso. I have some homemade gesso that I made last year, and I've been going and using it because, you know, you can make ephemera out of all kinds of stuff that you have at your house. You don't have to have a lot of stuff. So, you know, that's just taking something that you got with a product and making it really cute. So that's kind of what I do a lot of times. I was going to show you these little, like this tag right here. I got something, it says Juicy Couture, and I like the colors of it and everything. So I thought, well, you know, got this at Kohl's, and I don't remember what it was. It was something, I didn't pay that much money for it. But anyway, I think it was a laptop backpack that I got to travel with. And then my daughter gave me these last year with her gifts. And so I said, okay, I'm not going to throw any of that away. And let me show you what I did. Oh, here they are. I took and used the gesso on these too, and did the backs of them up, and then just kind of did them around the edges. And you know, these just make cute little tags, and you can write on the back of them or whatever. And let me see what else I made. I think that was it. But I just Love doing stuff like that. It's so much fun. All right, well, let's finish up this, and what I'm going to do is punch that hole out on that. It has a hole already, so, but I need to kind of go back through it again. Oh my goodness, it's not wanting to punch. I don't know what the problem is. It's being ugly. Maybe it's that tape I put on there. These cheap little punches you buy, sometimes they don't punch very good. There we go. Goodness. Wow, that hurt. Goodness gracious. Not good for the old arthritis. All right, so I'm going to, I thought that would look pretty in there. You know, this little card I made up, and I did some embossing on it. I love this color right here. It's kind of a maroon color. But anyway, that may be something I might put in there. I'm not for sure yet. So, see my time. I'm already running out of time. I can't, that's the only thing bad about doing the little tutorials and stuff. I just, before I know it, I mean, you know, your time's up, and I mean, you have to hurry up, and I don't like that. But anyway, I just dress this up and find something that I'm really gonna like to put on it. And let's see, these little cards I got, aren't these cute? I love them, but that's not gonna work because the color's not good. Let's see, that one I did up. Let's do this one up in blues, maybe. Let me get out this, I don't know what this stuff is, but I got it from my mom, and I don't know, it's like some kind of snow or something. See that? I don't know, but it really sticks on your stuff. I mean, I kind of sprayed it a little bit because I've had this since last year, but it kind of makes texture on your product. On your paper. And, you know, you can kind of use it for your glue, for your snow. Anyway, I just took and kind of sprayed it a little bit because I thought it was a little dry, but I don't know. Is it dry or just me? All right, well, I'm gonna let that dry right quick, and then I'll be back. Well, this is just what I've been working on, and I just wanted to tell all y'all, thank y'all for watching and for hanging out with me while I craft. And I really had a great time doing all these, and it's always fun to work on your embellishments. And I can't wait to get all my books together. So thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.